You had plenty of fun round the stooks, Annie, is that right?
Oh, yes, we had great fun round the stooks. On the moonlight nights especially, you know. Tip and run right and catch your boyfriend or whoever you're playing with. Yes, we had good fun like that. And we had great fun paddling in the barn, of course. Yes, and by the seashore. These were all the things we had to amuse ourselves with. Well, there were nothing else in these days. There were no television nor gramophones even. So, we had happy times.
Of course, land of Fiddle was very good. There was the sea and there was the up country.
Yes, we had the hills and the barn and the wooded part. Oh, it was very good. It lent itself well to a happy life, you know. And then it was grand to see the boats coming in to the harbour, the fishermen. And when they came in for the season, all the nets were taken in, you know, and laid down. And we used to have great fun jumping over the nets. All the buttocks, as we call them, the big things that sink in the sea, you know. It was good fun, man.
Oh, that's wonderful. I envy you that.
Do you?
I do. That sounds marvellous.
It was lovely childhood.
Yeah. And who can wonder that you got all these lovely songs down from heaven?
Yes. Well, we'd often sat round the peat fire, you see, and then the neighbours would come in, and young fellows would come in courting my sisters.
Right.
And that's where they would sing these love songs too, you know.
Right. Well, then, was the young fella courting you too, if I'm not mistaken?
Oh, yes, we had our boyfriends then too.